last episode was all about reaching Spiti via Kalpa, and we explored the place called Nako, and this episode is all about exploring the villages near Kaza. In this episode, I'm going to tell you about my homestay in Kaza and what all places you can visit if you're coming to Spiti during winters, what all places near Kaza are open and what all are closed right now. So let's start with our new episode, but before that, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. So we were targeting 5 places today and we started our journey towards Chicham Bridge.
Close your eyes. Get some rest.
So currently I am at Chicham Bridge and Asia's largest bridge which has been built here. Man, it's amazing. So we have met a person who was tying these flags here. So there's a timing on which he actually ties this, and tomorrow is the day when they are supposed to tie these flags and get those positivity. I can't express it in feelings, yaar. I have always seen this whole, I've picturized everything in my mind while I was planning this Spiti trip, and currently I'm there. And our next destination was Key Monastery. Man, this place was in my bucket list since long time, and finally when I saw this, I can't express the feelings which was there at that point of time. It was so beautiful. You know, this is the biggest monastery in Spiti with religious training center for lamas. You can witness the nearby villages from the top of it and the patches where the vegetables are grown during the summers like potatoes and peas. So this year, Kibber was closed, so you have to plan it accordingly, and our next destination was Langza. इस गाड़ी में जब हम ऐसी खतरनाक ढलान पे हैं,
ढलान पे नहीं, आइस जब जमा हुआ है, अगर हम टाइम अगर ब्रेक लगेगा तो गाड़ी घूम जाएगा विदाउट ब्रेक।
और हम रोहित शेट्टी के स्टंट्स कर रहे होंगे यहाँ पे। तुम लोग क्या कर रहे हो? मतलब ये लोग इधर आके ऐसे शॉट्स ले रहे हैं। ये वैसे कूल है। यार तुमने थोड़ी एक्साइटमेंट दिखाओ यार, ऑफ रोडिंग हो रही है अभी भैया। At the first glance of the village called Langza, one will instantly notice a huge golden colored Buddha statue which is believed to be 1,000 years old. Can you believe that? Currently we are at the Langza.
Fossil village in Langza.
Okay.
And so even Demel is also a fossil village. So you find fossils over here, which are as old as 450 million years. Geologist ने ऐसा लिखा है.
अच्छा. आप देखोगे नहीं ना इधर?
क्या? सोनम? सोनम मांगरिक.
कहाँ रहते हो? तुम्हारा घर कहाँ है?
ऊपर है. टूरिस्ट वगैरह आने तो खाना मिलता नहीं था. तो वहाँ पे सारे पत्ते उठा के काजा में छोड़ दिए.
Welcome to the world's highest motorable village. Right now we are not able to find any single cafe, dhaba, anything. We started our trip from Kaza and literally we did the whole circuit and there was nothing to eat. Savior was my mama ka paratha. And abhi hum aa gaye hain Comic, and now we are heading towards a place where we can have some local food. Spiti Organic Kitchen. क्या है मेरे पास खाने को?
We have emo, and then ये क्या है?
ये कब से
मैं ना बोल रही
कब से?
मीठा है
मीठा है ना ये? मीठा मीठा
ये
सत्तू
वाला
का
सेम है
सेम। खा के देख।
ये लाहौर साइड ज़्यादा मिलता है ना ये?
हाँ ये
Tell me how's it?
हाँ पूना में जब
यशस्वी tell me.
3 का वो लगाना पड़ता है।
Tasty है। You have to earn it. भैया तोड़ के दे रहे हैं।
ये थोड़ा नरम है मैदे को बनाते हैं थोड़ा बॉईल करके उसमें फिर चुका के फिर इसे खींच देते हैं
Now we are going to this beautiful Stupa, and which we are. सांस फूलना बनता है। अगर तुम्हारी सांस नहीं फूली तो जिंदा नहीं हो तुम। शिखर इज सेइंग कि अगर आप वहाँ बैठोगे तो आपकी मोनेस्ट्री का व्यू बदल जाएगा। आई होप जो ये बोल रहे हैं। यशस्वी, क्या इस मोनेस्ट्री का व्यू बदलता दिख रहा है तुम्हें?
मैं उसके पीछे पहाड़ दिखना शुरू हो गया। या फिर सब मेरी हाइट खराब है। कर देगा।
ये वाटर सप्लाई का काम करेगा। ये जमा हुआ
When it
पत्थर।
starts melting now,
हाँ।
it will create a kind of reservoir.
Oh yeah. And we were at today's last destination, which is Hikkim village, also known as to be the village with the world's highest post office. We met some locals, played some games, and luckily this cafe was open and we had some mouths smacking Maggie. And you can see the happiness on our faces. क्या नाम है?
चेरी फुंजक
चेरी पंचक। कितने क्यूट है दोनों।
रस्सी बनाता है
ओह,
याक का रस्सी
फिर कहाँ यूज करते हो याक का रस्सी?
गाय को बांधने का
अच्छा। क्यूटी पार, आप क्या खा रहे हो? मेरे को दे दो टॉफी। दोगे?
अरे ऊपर तो देखो। हेलो। गेट पे खड़ी थी।
रास्ते पे खड़े होके बोल रही है मुझे देख रही है। व्हाट इज दिस प्रज्ञा?
You are कितना स्मार्ट है यार। I like his booty.
ओ भाई, ये कहाँ रहते हैं फिर? अगर आंटी ये जोंग है। ये जोंग है ना?
पहले ये छोटे बच्चों को खिलाते थे, इससे बड़ी वाली बकरियां सब छीन डाली छोटी छोटी।
ये खाती हैं सारी?
सारे नहीं बहुत खाएंगे, इतना खाएंगे। वो उनकी मम्मी बाहर है ना।
मम्मी, मैं प्रज्ञा, कैसा लग रहा है अपने भाई बहनों से मिलके? I can see. मेरे को भी खिलाओ। क्या खेल रहे हो? Bye. Finally, we went back to our homestay, which was in Ladang. And now I wanted to tell you how and why you should definitely book this homestay where I was staying, and let me show you the whole place and the vibe which I'm talking about. So we are staying at this beautiful homestay which is near Kaza, and the owner of this place is actually running this whole Spiti expedition. I'll give you all the information in the description box. If you want, you can check it out. So it's basically kind of a 6-seater, 5-seater room. These are those single-seater, and here you can accommodate 3 to 4 person. They will give you electric blanket along with a heater, so you don't have to worry about the cold at night, especially. Awesome.
And
What about you, see bhaiya? I think
he's very sweet.
he's very sweet, na?
and especially his mother is also like
Yeah,
very nice.
yeah.
She cooks very tasty food, and
They prepared like momos for us, and like all the local food which we wanted to try. They made it with so much love, and whatever we wanted, it was on time with us. So I feel that is very good part. But yeah, you know that in Spiti,
there's no running water.
Yeah.
There is water, but there's no running water.
yeah. So that's a part. But I feel that's fine, yaar. You know it's worth it when you are coming to Spiti. जैसे good morning. आज नाश्ते में क्या है?
नाश्ते में आज टिंगो है.
ये क्या होता है?
This is Tibetan bread.
Okay, and
This
ये
is chutney.
chutney and
This is, I guess, dahi. This is dahi.
nice and chai and coffee जैसे आपको पीना है. And now I'm ending my vlog here, and in the next episode I'm gonna tell you the places which I have covered in my next day, which was Spin Valley, Dunker Monastery and Tabo. And stay tuned for my next video, and till then, if you like this place, if you like this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe.